Hi, I'm Julie Jordan Scott, the Creative Life Midwife, and I am so grateful that you downloaded our mini coloring book for writers. You're going to have so much fun, and it's going to help you so much to be calmer, more productive, energized, and discovering things you never knew before. Over the next few days, you'll be getting emails from us so that you can learn new ways to use the coloring book, because we have different tools in there that when you know how especially to use them with the ideas that we have, the affirmations, the writing prompts, the coloring itself, we will give you techniques to use that will heighten and expand on your experience. So yes, it's coloring, and it's really so much more. I also wanted to say that if you have any questions, or if you happen to not get the emails, or if you just like to send me a note and ask me anything, you're welcome to do that. My email address is below, as is a link to my Instagram page. That's a great place to find me, and also my Facebook business page. I hope to see you around. And again, I am so grateful that you downloaded the mini coloring book for writers. I made it so that you could experience greater peace, calm, and joy as a writer and as a creative.